left side sings a clean piano line. Right side breaks it into digital dust. One world is soft. One world is collapsing. But both exist at the same time. A gentle melody starts to breathe. Soft keys falling like quiet rain. But on the other side, data cracks and shattered sound bites explode. Clean emotion meets corrupted code. Harmony and chaos share the same space. Balance is unstable. A calm voice whispers in the center, I'm still here. But echoes behind it twist and multiply, turning words into broken reflections. Emotions stay human, but memory becomes digital noise. Digital noise. Tight rhythm starts. 50% control. Kick, kick, silence, kick. Then suddenly glitch burst, reverse scream, static flash. Clean groove tries to stay alive, but chaos keeps interrupting the pulse. A simple melody repeats again, like trying to remember something lost. But ambient interference crawls in, destroying edges, reshaping tones. Focus fights distortion, but both begin to blend. Bright synth chords rise, lighting up empty space. But beneath it, dark cinematic drones slowly grow. Light and dark, perfectly balanced. Neither wins, neither falls. They coexist in tension. This is not harmony, this is controlled instability. Left piano becomes rhythm. Right glitch becomes melody. Everything flips, merges, reforms. Clean becomes broken. Broken becomes beautiful. System balanced, fracture achieved. Soft piano returns, but now it carries glitch inside it. Noise fades, but never disappears completely. Because balance is not silence. Balance is coexistence.